Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi A1 and today I'll show you how we can format your SD card. So to get started, let's open up Settings. From here you want to scroll down to Storage, that's what I clicked. There we go, Storage right over here. Now by default it will opt into the device storage, as you can see right here. So you want to tap on this drop down and select SD card. This will then show you obviously your SD card. And here we can select either free up space or files. I believe this will just open up Files by Google. Oh, no, never mind. So let's just go with Files right here. And this will show you everything that is on the SD card. So here you want to click on the three dots and select Storage Settings, Format. It will bring up a message letting you know that formatting will erase existing content on the SD card. To avoid losing content, back it up to another SD it kind of seems redundant, to another SD card or device. So anyway, you want to keep something, do make a copy of it, for instance to your computer, and then you can format it. Now I don't have anything on the card, so I'm going to jump straight away to formatting, which will begin it. It only takes a couple of seconds and should be right about done any moment now. There we go. So click on the done button and that's it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.